Hello guys, welcome back. In the past video, we have understood what are special symbols about. In this video, let's try to understand what are escape sequences about. So basically, escape sequences are nothing but it's a special combination of characters beginning with a backslash. So let's try to see what are all those one by one. So we have multiple escape sequences. Let's see the code followed by that respect to meaning. So slash and basically it's used for new line. So if you want to give some space, we normally give a space, but if you want to give multiple spaces, you can go for tab space. So slash t is for tab space. Similarly, if you want to give backslash itself, backslash followed by backslash. Maybe similarly, if you want to go for single quotes or double quotes, you start with backslash. So now let's say if you want to give the same thing with examples, let's try to understand. So let's try to go for that. Just going to online C compiler. Let's take some example. So if I just write printf hello world, this is fine. So let's write, okay, we have seen the output hello world. So now if I want to just give single quotes to world, will this work? Fine. Now if I want to give double quotes, let's try to understand what happens. Okay, we are getting an error. So this is not the respective format. So now if I want to give this double quotes, so then I'll be giving this backslash. So then again followed by one more backslash. So let's run this and check. So now we got hello world in this respective format. Similarly, if I don't want to give space, I want to give the tab space. So go for slash t. So you see some space more. So this is the normal regular space. And here you see 4 respective spaces. So this is the tab space. So if you want to give a new line, maybe you can also go give the new line slash n. So let's run once again. So you have seen hello followed by world space apostrophe in the next line. So these are escape sequences. So these escape sequences normally allow us to format our outputs. So in multiple different lines or with multiple spaces or with single quotes, double quotes, etc. So that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.